Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The great sage Maitreya continued, "My dear Vidur, whatever you have asked from me about the great reputation and character of Dhruva Maharaj, I have explained to you in all detail. Great saintly persons and devotees very much like to hear about Dhruva Maharaj. Srimad Bhagwatam means everything in relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Whether we hear the pastimes and activities of the Supreme Lord, or we hear about the character, reputation, and activities of his devotees, they are all one and the same. Neophyte devotees simply try to understand the pastimes of the Lord and are not very interested in hearing about the activities of his devotees, but such discrimination should not be indulged in by any real devotee. Sometimes less intelligent men try to hear about the rasa dance of Krishna and do not take care to hear about other portions of Srimad Bhagwatam, which they completely avoid. There are professional Bhagavad reciters who abruptly go to the Rasa Leela chapters of Srimad Bhagwatam, as if other portions of Srimad Bhagwatam were useless. This kind of discrimination and abrupt adoption of the Rasa Leela pastimes of the Lord is not approved by the Acharyas. A sincere devotee should read every chapter and every word of Srimad Bhagwatam, for the beginning verses describe that it is the ripened fruit of all Vedic literature. Devotees should not try to avoid even a word of Srimad Bhagwatam. The great sage Maitreya therefore affirmed herein that the Bhagavatam is Samatam Satam, approved by great devotees.